Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing living with diabetes. We will cover topics such as meal preparation, financial diet, nutrition facts, diabetes mellitus, fast food, blood sugar and the cure. We will also be sharing some delicious vegetarian and non-vegetarian recipes that are perfect for meal preparation. So, if you or someone you know has diabetes, this video is for you.
Understanding diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic condition where your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels. This can occur when the body doesn't produce enough insulin or when it can't effectively use the insulin it produces. Over time, high blood sugar levels can lead to serious health issues such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and heart disease. The importance of nutrition. It's important to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of vegetables, lean protein, and complex carbohydrates. You should also limit your intake of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Keeping your blood sugar levels stable is essential to preventing complications associated with diabetes. Meal prep is an excellent way to stay on top of your nutrition while also saving money. Here are some delicious vegetarian recipes that are perfect for meal prep. Vegetarian recipes for meal prep. Chickpea and spinach curry. This flavorful dish is packed with protein and fiber and is perfect served with brown rice. Lentil soup, a hearty soup made with lentils, carrots, celery, and onions. This recipe is perfect for cold days. Non-vegetarian recipes for meal prep. If you're a non-vegetarian, here are some delicious recipes that are perfect for meal prep. Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. This dish is packed with lean protein and flavorful veggies and can be customized to include your favorite vegetables. Baked salmon with quinoa and roasted asparagus. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Financial diet and diabetes. Managing diabetes can be expensive, but there are ways to save money while still eating healthy. A financial diet involves being mindful of your spending and finding ways to cut costs. Some tips for a financial diet include: plan your meals ahead of time to avoid last-minute takeout or delivery. Buy in bulk and freeze ingredients for later use. Look for sales and coupons on healthy foods. Consider buying generic or store-brand products instead of name brands. The cure for diabetes? Currently, there is no known cure for diabetes. However, managing your nutrition and blood sugar levels can greatly improve your health and quality of life. It's important to work with a healthcare professional to create a plan that works best for you. This may include regular checkups to monitor your HbA1c levels, using medications such as metformin, which can help regulate blood sugar level.
Metformin can have side effects such as stomach upset, diarrhea, and vitamin B12 deficiency levels. However, it can also have side effects such as weight gain and low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Using insulin therapy, which can be given through injections or an insulin pump. Insulin can help regulate blood sugar levels, but it can also have side effects such as weight gain at low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Getting enough sleep is also important for managing diabetes. Lack of sleep can affect your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and can lead to insulin resistance. Managing stress levels is also important, as stress can cause cortisol levels to increase, leading to high blood sugar levels and cortisol levels. It's important to remember that everyone's experience with diabetes is different, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to work with your healthcare team to create a personalized plan that works for you. Strategies such as mindfulness, exercise, and relaxation techniques can help to reduce stress levels and regulate cortisol levels. By managing your nutrition, blood sugar levels, cortisol levels, and overall health, you can live a happy and healthy life with diabetes.
That's all for today's video on the importance of nutrition and meal prep for individuals living with diabetes. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any question or comment, feel free to leave them down below. And please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.